Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. And I don't know why I keep doing my hands like this, but I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about this market and the opportunities that we're about to be experiencing. So a lot of us have been in this market watching these coins, and some of us are new. So welcome to the new subscribers to the channel. You know, like the video, we like to keep it real solid here, keep it 100, and never ever do anything except that. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about altcoins and alt season, because if you miss the Bitcoin run, then this is what you are waiting for. When people talk about mostly getting rich in cryptocurrency, this is what they're talking about. A lot of people say, oh man, you can't get rich in Bitcoin. Well, somebody who bought it at 3,000 earlier this year might tell you a different scenario. But for some people who don't really have $3,000 to throw at a Bitcoin, something that's going to do 100x or a 10x, or something that I've experienced, 1000x coin, those things are life changing, and that's what we have to look forward to in the alt season if things play out the same way. Now, I made a whole video about this and explained to you exactly what that meant. I'll put that up in the cards right there in the top of the video. But in that video, I explained to you the correlation between Bitcoin, altcoins, Bitcoin dominance. So this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and I explained to you how this chart has a lot to do with what happens to these altcoins, just because the money flows into Bitcoins. People use their Bitcoin gains to go for altcoins. The greed takes over. They say, hey, I just made a ton of money and I see an opportunity to do that again. And that's where these altcoins end up having a good time. Now on this channel, I've told you a ton of altcoins that pump along with Bitcoin. Those are Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Diamond for some random reason, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. And I always say, don't sleep on Ethereum in this market. So if you're not into any of those coins, then probably be into those coins. You can see that Bitcoin actually doubled its all-time high since it hit its all-time high, and I expect no less out of Ethereum. Now, before we continue, just understand that none of this is financial advice. I'm just talking to you guys a little bit about how I feel right now in this market, because I don't do this a lot, and I think it'll help a lot of people out. So the reason why I'm excited, Bitcoin is over there at 40,000, just doing this thing, just pumping away. The market cap, total market cap of all of cryptocurrency has hit, you know, $1.1 trillion. So it's like $100 billion just came into this market cap super quick, and nobody really noticed it. And that's the beauty of this, because when this thing starts coming, when Bitcoin starts coming down and this Bitcoin dominance starts coming down, that money is going to flow into altcoins. So this Bitcoin dominance, all this means is 69% of this total crypto market cap is Bitcoin. And when that goes down to 39%, that means 39% of this market cap is going to be in altcoins. That is just so. One thing that's also cool about this market at this point in time that makes us know that we're in a little bit more of a bull territory is the total 2, which is all of the altcoins excluding Bitcoin is also pumping. So they're also pumping. So this is just a good sign to see that we're getting over some, you know, previous resistance on the total market cap. Money is flowing into cryptocurrency. I don't care if it's institutions, I don't care if it's retail, I don't care. It's coming. For me, I can tell you it's both, because I see institutions tweeting about it and I have retail people asking me about it. So this whole fight about it doesn't really matter. We all got to be prepared at this point in time. So like I said, money usually flows into Bitcoin, then into the bigger altcoins. When I say bigger altcoins, I'm going to say this. Let me explain something to you like this. When I got into cryptocurrency, when everybody got into cryptocurrency, nobody really come past page 3 unless you've been here in cryptocurrency for a long time, and then you start searching for the gems. So nobody comes past page 1. Find you something right here on page 1 and it's looking like a good buy. Banned, you know what I mean, with a $230 million market cap, could go to 500 billion market cap. Who knows? So just reread, Ocean Protocol is number 100. That to me is undervalued for Ocean. So there's a lot of good coins. Check out the low cap gem list, because after the money goes into these well-known coins, then people start to catch on. They start to look for these gems. That's where I'm going to be sitting and waiting. Actually, I'm going to be sitting and waiting through the whole market, because if you guys know me, you guys know I'm all around this market. I do everything in this market. I do crypto. So my strategies are different for each place. I have low caps, I got mid caps, but that's just because I love crypto. I'm in this thing, and the more money that I see flowing into Bitcoin, the more bullish I get on these altcoins. But I want to be responsibly bullish and buy just, you know, still dollar cost averaging in, buying up these altcoins and everything like that, testing out some new altcoins, putting money here and there. But you know, this money going into Bitcoin right now can only make me excited for what could happen with altcoins. If history repeats or rhymes or does 20% of what it did last time, just seeing Bitcoin have this much money in its market cap is just making me a little bit more bullish. So quick little video today. Didn't really want to talk about much except for my thoughts on cryptocurrency. I want you guys to be excited about this market, subscribe to the channel, and I want you to be aware of the psychology that we go through, because going through it day in and day out, you don't really notice it. You kind of just go through it. I'll talk to a lot of people who are here. We are now in the bull market. They don't feel like we're in the bull market, and they're still trying to do DeFi plays and stuff like this. So, you know, follow the market, let the market tell you what to do. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.